How to increase music time on Snapchat. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make your Snapchat music play longer on photos and videos. First, open the Snapchat app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, capture a photo or record a video for your snap. Once your snap is ready, tap the music icon from the Tools menu on the right side of the screen. Now, browse the available songs and select the one you want to add. After choosing a song, Snapchat will display a music editing bar at the bottom of the screen. To increase the music duration on Snapchat, drag or expand the music selection bar to choose a longer section of the song. If you're using a photo snap, the available music length may depend on the snap duration you've selected. For video snaps, the music can continue throughout the recorded clip. Once you're satisfied with the music timing, tap the check mark to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully increased the music time on your Snapchat snap and can now share it with your friends or add it to your story. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tutorials.